Welcome ulit sa ating channel mga katulay sa Tagumpay. Sa bidyong ito ay magre-review naman tayo tungkol sa Financial Management na isang sub-test para sa Philippine Air Force General Classification Test o PAFGCT. Ito ay isa pang klase ng exam na dapat mong maipasa bukod sa AFPSAT exam para makapasok ka sa Philippine Air Force. Hindi ko magagarantiya kung lalabas ang mga items na ito sa mismong exam. Pero reviewin na lang natin para madagdagan pa ang kaalaman natin. Gayon din ay baka na lang din lumabas sa exam. Kung di nyo pa napapanood ang mga nauna pa nating mga video ay huwag mag-alala dahil nasa taas lang ng bidyong ito ang mga link para doon. Halika kayo at simulan na natin ang pagre-review.
1. Which of the following best describes the primary goal of financial management in the Philippine Air Force? A. Maximizing profits. B. Ensuring operational readiness. C. Minimizing expenses. D. Generating revenue. Correct answer. B. Ensuring operational readiness. Explanation. The primary goal of financial management in the Philippine Air Force is to ensure operational readiness, which includes maintaining aircraft, facilities, and personnel readiness to fulfill the force's mission requirements. 2. What is the main source of funding for the Philippine Air Force's operational expenses? A. Donations from foreign governments. B. Revenue from air shows. C. Appropriations from the national government. D. Membership fees from allied air forces. Correct answer. C. Appropriations from the national government. Explanation. The main source of funding for the Philippine Air Force's operational expenses is appropriations from the national government's budget allocated for defense and security purposes. 3. Which financial document outlines the Philippine Air Force's planned expenses and revenues for a specific period? A. Balance sheet. B. Income statement. C. Budget. D. Cash flow statement. Correct answer. C. Budget. Explanation. A budget is a financial document that outlines planned expenses and revenues for a specific period, providing a roadmap for managing financial resources within the Philippine Air Force. 4. What is the purpose of conducting financial audits within the Philippine Air Force? A. To increase operational costs. B. To ensure compliance with financial regulations. C. To reduce transparency. D. To limit access to financial information. Correct answer. B. To ensure compliance with financial regulations. Explanation. Financial audits within the Philippine Air Force are conducted to ensure compliance with financial regulations, assess financial performance, and enhance accountability and transparency. 5. Which financial management principle emphasizes the timely recording of financial transactions in the Philippine Air Force? A. Accuracy. B. Relevance. C. Timeliness. D. Consistency. Correct answer. C. Timeliness. Explanation. Timeliness is a financial management principle that emphasizes the importance of recording financial transactions promptly and accurately within the Philippine Air Force to ensure accurate financial reporting and decision-making. 6. How does the Philippine Air Force typically manage its procurement process to ensure financial efficiency? A. By avoiding competitive bidding. B. By outsourcing procurement functions. C. By adhering strictly to procurement regulations. D. By minimizing documentation requirements. Correct answer. C. By adhering strictly to procurement regulations. Explanation. The Philippine Air Force typically manages its procurement process by adhering strictly to procurement regulations to ensure transparency, fairness, and efficiency in the use of financial resources. 7. What role does financial forecasting play in the Philippine Air Force's financial management? A. It predicts future operational challenges. B. It determines the budget for the upcoming year. C. It analyzes past financial performance. D. It forecasts future financial needs and resources. Correct answer. D. It forecasts future financial needs and resources. Explanation. Financial forecasting in the Philippine Air Force involves predicting future financial needs and resources, allowing for better planning and allocation of financial resources to support operational requirements. 8. How does the Philippine Air Force prioritize its spending decisions? A. By allocating funds based on rank. B. By focusing on operational necessities. C. By favoring personal preferences. D. By excluding maintenance expenses. Correct answer. B. By focusing on operational necessities. Explanation. The Philippine Air Force prioritizes its spending decisions by focusing on operational necessities, such as aircraft maintenance, training, and infrastructure required to maintain operational readiness. 9. What is the purpose of implementing internal controls in the financial management of the Philippine Air Force? A. To increase financial risk. B. To reduce operational efficiency. C. To minimize the risk of fraud and errors. D. To limit transparency. Correct answer. C. To minimize the risk of fraud and errors. Explanation. Implementing internal controls in the financial management of the Philippine Air Force helps minimize the risk of fraud and errors, ensuring the accuracy and integrity of financial data and processes. 10. How does the Philippine Air Force manage its cash flow effectively? A. By delaying payments to suppliers. B. By maintaining a sufficient cash reserve. C. By avoiding budget planning. D. By increasing debt obligations. Correct answer. B. By maintaining a sufficient cash reserve. Explanation. The Philippine Air Force manages its cash flow effectively by maintaining a sufficient cash reserve to cover operational expenses and unforeseen contingencies, ensuring financial stability and liquidity. 11. What financial metric does the Philippine Air Force use to evaluate its overall financial performance? A. Return on investment (ROI). B. Gross profit margin. C. Debt to equity ratio. D. Operational readiness rate. Correct answer. D. Operational readiness rate. Explanation. The operational readiness rate is a financial metric used by the Philippine Air Force to evaluate its overall financial performance, measuring the percentage of aircraft and equipment that are mission ready at any given time. 12. How does the Philippine Air Force ensure accountability in its financial management practices? A. By avoiding financial reporting. B. By outsourcing financial management functions. C. By implementing transparency measures. D. By withholding financial information. Correct answer. C. By implementing transparency measures. Explanation. The Philippine Air Force ensures accountability in its financial management practices by implementing transparency measures, such as regular financial reporting and audits, to promote openness and accountability in the use of financial resources. 13. What financial risk does the Philippine Air Force aim to mitigate through effective financial planning? A. Currency exchange risk. B. Market risk. C. Operational risk. D. Political risk. Correct answer. C. Operational risk. Explanation. The Philippine Air Force aims to mitigate operational risk through effective financial planning, ensuring the availability of financial resources to support operational requirements and maintain readiness. 14. How does the Philippine Air Force manage its debt obligations responsibly? A. By avoiding debt entirely. B. By increasing debt without repayment plans. C. By adhering to debt repayment schedules. D. By defaulting on debt payments. Correct answer. C. By adhering to debt repayment schedules. Explanation. The Philippine Air Force manages its debt obligations responsibly by adhering to debt repayment schedules, ensuring timely payments to creditors and maintaining financial credibility. 15. What role does financial reporting play in the Philippine Air Force's decision-making process? A. It hinders transparency. B. It provides inaccurate information. C. It supports informed decision-making. D. It increases financial risk. Correct answer. C. It supports informed decision-making. Explanation. Financial reporting in the Philippine Air Force plays a crucial role in supporting informed decision-making by providing accurate and timely financial information to stakeholders, enabling effective allocation of resources and strategic planning.
Maraming salamat sa inyong panunood mga katulay sa Tagumpay.
Huwag kalimutang mag-like, mag-share at mag-subscribe sa ating channel para lagi kayong updated sa mga susunod pa nating mga video. Sana ay may natutunan kayo at nakatulong ang video na ito sa inyo. Good luck at maraming salamat ulit mga katulay sa tagumpay.